Hey guys, it's Kenney from the Blue Collar Barber. Today I'm going to show you how I style my hair with Cremo Thickening Paste. If you're new to this channel, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on more helpful styling videos. This thickening paste is great for adding volume to any hair type, especially short or fine hair. I personally like using it with a vent brush and a hairdryer. So go grab your tools. I'll wait. Oh, they're back. Okay, you got the stuff? Let's go. So start with wet, clean hair. I suggest using Cremo Barber Grade shampoo. It's designed to add volume and it has a really nice scent. It's barber grade because barbers like me use it and approve it. It's good stuff, give it a try. Okay, first take a small amount and rub it together in your hands until it pretty much disappears, like magic. Then work it through your hair evenly. Start in the back. That's the area most often neglected because people naturally just start in the front at their bangs. Then using the medium heat setting, you want to blow dry forward and up. Forward and up. That's the move to remember. The vent brush allows the air to move through while you comb. Once you're done, comb through and add a little more product for that finishing touch. All day volume and hold, and now you're good to go. Thanks for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to subscribe to Cremo's YouTube channel for more styling tips from me and other grooming experts. And remember, always look both ways while crossing the street.